Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive hereby data from Good Day Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. I understand, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Yes, I have.
Do you know which place she was designated?
Not yet.
Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
My name is Roname Sanchez Nosotros. I'm 31 years old. My birthday is on May 19, 1993.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you. When is your birthday again?
May 19, 1993.
What is your height and your weight?
I am 78 kilos and my height is 5'3".
Are you single or married? Sorry?
I'm married.
Okay, so how many children do you have?
I have two daughters, ma'am.
Okay, so who will going to take care of your children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
Mother,
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
she is a housewife and he is already 53 years old.
Is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
What about your husband?
She allow me also.
Okay, so in your biodata, it was stated that you have a working experience in KSA way back 2021 to 2024 for 3 years, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you share it with me? What are your duties there to your previous employment in KSA?
Ma'am,
What are your responsibilities to your previous employer?
I am take care of them children and clean the house all around.
Okay, so how old are those children that you take care?
The eldest is 13 years old, then 11, 9, then 4.
Sorry? You do house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing, and how old are those children that you take care again?
Then they have 13 years old, 10, then 6, 3.
Okay. What happened? Why you decided to go back home in the Philippines and didn't continue working to this employer?
Because I already tell them that I don't go back there because I have already planned that I can't go because my husband is planned that he again go to abroad again.
Okay. Okay, so are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
No, ma'am.
Okay, can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, no, ma'am.
Okay. Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Rona, you must be flexible. You need to be multitasking because you already experienced being an OFW to other countries, okay? So all you need to do is just prepare for any task that the employer will be given to you. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a 2 years contract. It's not 2 days, it's not 2 months, and it's not 1 year. Whatever might happen, like for example, if you breach your contract, you know what will be the consequences. You need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. If there is any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be reminded that you cannot easily go back home, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your mobile handphone during your working time. So which means you can hold your phone during nighttime only, like 2 to 3 hours to contact your family back in the Philippines. After that, you will render your phone to your employer. During your rest day, you are not allowed to go out, but you will going to stay inside the employer's house for every week. But once you work on your rest day, of course, employer will going to compensate your salary. Do you agree all these terms?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we don't force people also to come here. Whether you agree or you disagree is okay. If you disagree, is okay also. We don't force people to come here. As long you have a good attitude in your heart, please be reminded also that we are the foreigner here. We are not the boss, okay? We also work to other countries because we want to sustain money to sustain our family's future, our family's needs, and our goals in life, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if there is any problems, any concerns to your employer, please tell your employer because you're the one who are working inside their premises. So you need to follow and respect the employer. Always say good morning, good afternoon, thank you. Well, you're welcome, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
My last question is why did you want to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore, Hong Kong, or maybe you go back in Middle East? Why you choose to come here in Malaysia knowing that Malaysia got lower salary than any other countries?
Because no abuse case in as OFW in Malaysia, ma'am.
Okay, so how do you handle your homesickness before I forgot? Because this is the most important thing that you must need to handle your homesickness once it strikes you.
I just focus on my work.
That's all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Rana. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because agents here in Malaysia will going to contact you or agents here in Global Ace will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you
Thank
so
you.
much and have a good day. Bye.
Bye.